Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So if your Wi-Fi is not working and you are seeing a message that says wireless capability is turned off on Windows 11, then don't worry, I have got you covered. Let's fix this in under 3 minutes. So first, make sure your wireless adapter is not physically turned off. Once on laptop, there is a Wi-Fi switch or functions key combo like F1 plus F2, like here into your keyboard, you will able to see that one. So you just need to be click that one. F1 is equal to plus F2 like this way, and here actually you will get the setting. But next let's talk about to enable Wi-Fi by settings. So you just need to click the start menu this way. This is the start menu, and then you just need to be visit to the setting like here. You just need to be visit onto the setting, and once you come over that place, you just need to go to the network and internet. Actually here, even once you click over here, then you will eventually see a couple of options. So here you just need to check out which one you are using. So here you can see network 3, so you just need to go over here to the Ethernet. Once you come over here, then you will see that all the things in here. Make sure your Wi-Fi is toggle and switch 1. So you can see this the network 3, and we are running on network 3. It is working, that's why there is no problem I'm getting. Like you can check the run and internet speed test also. Like if I run this one, you will see the speed testing here. So it is already on that and not working. Move on to the next step. So let's start this one, and now let's talk about the second method, like use network troubleshooter. Now let's run Windows troubleshooter. You just need to press Windows plus 1 like this way, and here setting will be open like the Microsoft Weapon. So you just need to go over here again, and then you just need to go to the privacy and security, or you can go to the system. Once you come over here, then you will eventually find out the troubleshoot options, or also if you come over that place here, actually you will get to see that your Windows is updated or not. So there's a couple of options you have, so it's totally up to you how you are going to fix that one. So you just need to be enable in like the adapter in control panel. Sometimes the adapter is disabled. You just need to press Windows plus R like this way, and then you just need to be type ncpa.cpl, and then you just need to hit OK. Once it's done, in the network connection window, you just need to be right click your Wi-Fi adapter. So I'm running this one, so I need to click this one, and then you just need to be enable this one. It already enabled, that's why we are getting disable one. So you can see the status, it is working. So it's still not working, then let's update the drive. This is the last one. So to update the wireless drive, you just need to be type Windows plus X like this way, Windows plus X, and you will get to see the device manager here. You just need to be visit that place, and then you just need to be expand network adapter. So find it out here. You can see this is the network adapter. You just need to select this one, and you just need to be right click over Wi-Fi adapter and choose update driver. So you just need to find out which one is your Wi-Fi adapter. Let's say this is my Wi-Fi adapter. I just need to click this one, and then you just need to click on update driver, and then you will be fixed the problem. Now you can, like if it is needed, like it is not actually a mandatory one, you can use it if everything is not working. That time you can use it one, like you just need to reset network setting like this way. You just need to go to the setting, and then you just need to go to the network and internet, and just click on advanced network setting here. Once you click over here, then you just need to be scroll down and find it out network reset options here. So you just need to be click this one. Once you click over here, you have a couple of options. You can go over here, you can edit that one. So this is not the one, so you will find out this network reset in here. So you just need to go over here and then reset. Now just click that one, and your network will be reset and it will be fixed. So that's it. Your Wi-Fi should now be back online. If this helped, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more fixes. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.